Hey internet people! Welcome to another resin video. I'm trying out voiceover for the first time. Not sure if it will be better than me shutting up with nice background music and text over my video, but well, let's see. As the title suggests, I'm doing lattice resin. It's much smaller compared to the usual alphabet molds. So get your glitter ass ready and watch me resin. So of course you can put other things in your resin such as colors, flowers, etc. But I'm working with glitter today. So yes, you just want to pour as much glitter as you can, spam it, throw it all in, whatever and how much you want. And now we are going to give it a good mix. I'm not sure about you, but looking at glitter makes me really happy. So this is the mold that I'll be using. There is some inconsistency with the letters. I can have similar double letters or triple or even just single letters. But it's okay, not much of a big deal for me. I got this really cheap too, so I'm really not complaining. For this mold, I'll be using a pipette to pour into the letters because the letters are really too narrow and small, so it will be hard to direct pour or even use a wooden stirrer as it can get very messy. So don't say I didn't warn ya! Definitely fill your resin to the brim for this, and you may continue to watch the entire process of me pouring the resin. I wanted to just delete the entire half of it, but I realized when I times 5 the speed, it's actually pretty satisfying to watch me pour the resin into the mold. So, enjoy the process! So ta-da! Once the alphabets are fully cured, I turn them into these lovely accessories. And you totally can too! So that's all. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Give me a little like or subscribe and follow my art Instagram. Cheers!